What is up, guys? It's Masso 2010 here, and today, you know, I thought it has been a while since I've done a try not to laugh challenge. So I thought, why not give it another go? I haven't been beaten by one yet. I've done like 4 so far. I haven't been beaten yet, so let's see if the 5th one can get me to laugh. Let's go.
The dog wants his toy. It's Mojo's. Let me have it.
Where'd you get a monkey?
Let me have it. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it. Let me have it. Give it to mommy. Yes.
Oh, well, he just shook his head.
Let me have it. Give it. Give it to mommy. Give it to
Where
me.
did they get a monkey?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Well, that's what you get. It's like a cat parent.
If you stop fighting, I'll give you a treat. Easy, do you like biscuits? Do you like biscuits?
The dog's having a damn seizure. Hate these ads so much. Thank God this is a try not to grin challenge. Ah! No!
Rory just pooped in the car.
No, you don't want to see that.
No! She pooped a turd on me! Get him off! Get him off! Get him off!
Oh, you pussy!
Get him off! Get him off!
Oh, you pussy! Oh shit! Does he not see that? Oh! Oh shit! Oh! Oh! Do not fuck with that goat!
Yummy!
I'm recording it.
That is disgusting.
What?
What you got in your mouth, puppy?
What was happening?
Do you have something in your mouth, baby? You're a good boy. Yes, you are. You're a good boy. Oh, there you go. Oh, what was all that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tater tots.
Saban,
I don't know what
tater
tater is.
sandwich in your mouth right now? What is this? What is this? What's in your mouth right now, Saban? Are you trying to... Oh, there. There it is. Okay.
That's a different dog.
Whoa! Trick shot,
Oh, Davey! Best head massage ever.
It's just that tongue! Oh, while I go, I did that sarcastically, but oh shit. That wasn't a real laugh, it didn't count, it wasn't real. Oh, that dog's clever. That dog is clever. Not laughing. Oh, that is fantastic. A parrot with Santa. Or Father Christmas. Oh, no.
What happened to Santa?
Stupid cat.
What the heck?
Hey, I'm not laughing.
Oh
What the hell is that? That is fantastic. I want one of them. I want one of them for my dog. It's hers now. It's theirs. That's adorable.
Someone is too excited for Christmas and cannot wait to open presents. Mario, you ready to open presents?
Oh, that's cute.
You want a present, huh? You want Santa to come?
Oh my god! Oh my god, I want to be there so badly. Oh, that'd be so... Oh, okay, I don't want to be there now.
All at the same time.
Yeah, I don't want to be there just now. My bad, motherfuckers. Oh, wow. You little shit. Oh.
Merry Christmas.
Aw. So if I ever surprise my kids with a puppy, that's how I'm gonna do it.
He's ours.
Well, not like that, but you know, I would surprise them with it. What? I can't understand him now. Yo, hug. Yo, stroke me, motherfucker. Don't turn your back on me, bitch. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's right. Huh, fish like bread. I didn't know that. Ugh.
Let's suppose that you're writing a really important
I
email
don't
to a
care.
colleague.
I hate these adverts so much. Aww. Well, okay. Ah, there's Sharon. Okay, kid.
Did you stop by Wilmington on the way back, or?
Ah, I've never heard of a cat chasing a shadow before. Oh, that's weird. Oh! Yeah, you did it! Woo! 5th time's the charm. Okay, I'll admit, I was close to breaking like once or twice there. It nearly got me. But it didn't. I haven't lost a challenge yet, because if I do, I have to get my friend to slap me. You know how it works. Alright, it's been Masso 2010 here. If you want to play anything or react to anything, then put it in the comments down below. Please like, subscribe, and see ya!